To customize lock screen on iPhone 17 Pro Max, first of all you have to open the settings and go for wallpaper. Now we have to click over here on the customize button, and as you can see, first of all, when you click at the top, we can change this top widget. So here we can find all available widgets. In my case, I'm just gonna get the event from the calendar. Now by clicking here, we can customize clock. So first of all, we can change its font, and for some of the fonts we can even change size, and also we can change the color of the clock and the type of the color. So we can find glass or solid. And by clicking here, we can change the clock format. Now, when you click outside, we can also add widgets into the lock screen. So as you can see over here, we can find all of them. For example, I want to add the battery widget to see my AirPods battery and the clock shortcut, for example, this one. There we go. Now, when you click on the icon right here, we can remove current shortcut, and by clicking on the plus, then we can add the new shortcut. So we can completely turn them off, or we can add them that you like. And by swiping to the left or the right side, you can change the current wallpaper preset. So I just pick the universe preset, and that's how it looks. And if I want to set this, I have to click down in the right upper corner. And of course, I can create a multiple presets of the wallpapers and lock screens that I can quickly change by selecting set as current. And that's how we can actually do this. As you can see, it's quite simple. Thanks for watching this one.